Welcome to my channel. Today we will be reviewing the Amazon Basics sleek rechargeable table lamp. This lamp has a 8 watt capacity. The charging cable is of micro USB type and not USB type C. The lamp also does not come with any power adapter. The length of the cable is around 1.5 feet, which is sufficient for most use cases. Here is a quick view of the user manual. The lamp has a gooseneck style tube which is made of soft silicone material and can be adjusted to any position, which is very convenient. The lamp only has one touch button. All lamp on-off and brightness settings cycle through this button only. The grips at the back of the lamp are made of rubber. The rubber studs prevent the lamp from slipping on surfaces. The main light of the lamp is made of plastic casing. The lamp offers 3 levels of brightness: low, mid and high. Here is a demo of the lamp brightness levels under ambient room light. Now showing the lamp brightness levels in almost pitch darkness. The lamp has a female micro USB type charging connector, on which you can connect the supplied charging cable. On the other end is a USB type A connector. On connecting the lamp to the charging source, the charging indicator lamp lights up indicating charging. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.